So you want to do fog lights? Okay. 2021 Silverado. Let's check them out. Alright guys, welcome back. So my 2021 Silverado, custom, you can tell, Chevrolet. Fog lights. These guys are from the dealer, straight from the factory. They come complete with a kit, and the kit includes this guy right there, the little fog light indicator. Now the question is what happens when you push it? Well, the fog lights come on. And do you have a dash icon when the fog lights come on? Well, let's see. Sure do. The little indicator right there is for fog lights, and that one is for the lights. So, custom. That is not the same instrument cluster I have. Watch my other videos, learn how to get it. Also, learn how to get that. Leather wrap steering wheel with what's that? Audio controls that work. Easy, easy, easy. You can do it yourself. Watch my other videos. Anyways, the fog lights were $300 and $150 to install. I had a $20,000 coupon from the dealer, and not $20,000 coupon, but a 20,000 points. They got me $100 off, so it was $349 installed. So all the guys that are going out doing the aftermarket ones that are paying $300+ to get the lights and harness to plug it in, that's crazy. Take it to the dealer, let them program it. Get your icon, covered by the factory warranty, done deal. All right, guys, so that's my response to the question I get asked, which fog lights do I install? The factory, $350 after my $100 discount. When I bought the truck, I got the 20,000 points. It's integrated, comes with everything they need to do it, including the new switch. And after they program it, the light on the dash works. And it turns on the fog lights and the parking lights if I just push the button during the daytime. Keeps the headlights off. So it was a no-brainer for me. I could have spent that or more on a kit to do it myself, and it would have taken me a couple hours to do out of my day. This I just dropped off, they installed it, and I picked it up later. And if I have an issue with it, it's covered under the factory warranty. So as usual, if you like it, subscribe and share. And then, of course, smash that bell so you get a notification every time I upload a video. And if you want to know how I did the steering wheel controls in the high country cluster, watch my other videos. We'll see you soon. I'm Matt, and this is Monster Tech.